Welcome to room 568, Island Garden View at Aulani, BBC membership. And with the one bedroom, you get a full kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, laundry service in your room, full kitchenette, full dining table. This pulls out to a queen bed, and there is a bed right here. With this view, you get a full balcony that extends the room, and you get the whole luau. You can watch it from your room, and you get a little piece of the ocean down this low without paying for the ocean view. It's pretty amazing. So let's go back inside. Let's go check the master room. Got some, I believe, a safe, little hangers for your clothing. This is a king master room. Balcony extension off. Comes with a jet style hot tub. And a shower for the kids. And pack and play if needed, which is awesome. You got 2 sinks, and you got the shower as well. And that's a 1-bedroom island garden view. Thanks for watching.